Hi everyone. Today we'll be analyzing how to answer a cue card as part of our speaking practice series. Let's begin by asking Abhishek a question. Hi Abhishek, the cue card is: talk about a time when you did something but weren't very successful. When was it? What you did? Why you weren't very successful? Now you have 1 minute time for preparation.
I am a perfectionist. In case I am not able to complete anything successfully, I get easily depressed. Here I would like to talk about one such incident that happened in my life a couple of years ago. It was for my 25th birthday that I decided to invite my friends over to my home for a party. I decided to cook something special for them. I went through different social networking websites and I came across a recipe for an Italian pasta. I looked at the ingredients and it was quite simple. I went out to a supermarket to purchase all the things and then I gathered everything together and kept it by the side of the stove. I started to cook it. I first took water in a bowl and added pasta, vegetables and the spices together. Then I gave it a nice mix. At this point, I thought that the water was less, so I decided to add in another cup of water. This was a grave mistake. It took me more than 5 minutes to completely cook the pasta and it turned out to be a bit overcooked. I tasted it and it was awful. It was not at all edible. I had to throw it away and then I ordered food from a restaurant nearby for my friends. They came to my home around 6 o'clock and I served them the food that I ordered. However, this incident acted as an eye-opener for me. From that point of time onwards, whenever I attempted to try out something new after watching a video or a recipe from the YouTube or some other websites, I always try to make sure that I stick on with the ingredients that they have listed out there. I understood that in order to become a successful cook, it's always important to look and follow the ingredients exactly as they have mentioned in the tutorial, especially when we attempt to do something new.
Abhishek, that was a good answer, but you forgot to emphasize on the keywords.
Well, I read the question carefully. I don't think I have left out on any important keywords. Let me read the question again. Talk about a time when you did something but weren't very successful. Right. I missed the word very.
Exactly.
Right. Instead of saying it was a complete failure, I should have said that I was partially successful. Right. In the cue card, I mentioned it was a complete failure.
Yes.
I mentioned it didn't taste good at all, that I threw it off. Instead, I should have said, even though it was edible, it didn't turn out as good as I expected. Right. Okay.
Whenever you answer part 2 questions of your speaking module, examiners will pay close attention to the minute details of the question. So you have to read carefully and then answer so as to avoid mistakes that Abhishek made right now. Here is a challenge for you all. Try to find out the keywords of this particular cue card and comment on the comment section.